I've spent weeks scouting the whole Vermosa estate. And finally, natagpuan ko na tinatawag kong sweet spots for investors this 2026. Kung priority mo ay wellness, privacy, at syempre, high appreciation potential, you really need to see our newest project here in Vermosa, which is the Calea Residence. So I will show you yung ating development dito sa area na to. So ayan, makikita ninyo na yung ating road is kahit paano napatag na siya, nasementuhan na. And then yung mga lots natin is napatag na rin at the same time. And then dito naman ayan, makikita nyo yung road. Ayan, yung pinaka main entrance natin. Alright? And then here at my right is the Ayala Mall, the Vermosa Estate paglabas. Ayan. And then, dito naman sa aking kaliwa, this is facing north naman. And then, dito yung ating sunrise and then sunset over here. Dito sa area na to, kung saan nakatayo yung ating launch pad, dito naman itatayo yung ating central amenities. So, nandito yung ating pool, yung ating pavilion, clubhouse, ayan. Tara, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung scale model, para ma-visualize ninyo yung lahat ng dinidiscuss ko dito outside. So, this is the Calea scale model. So, ito eksakto yung gagawing development dito sa area. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na ating main road, yung ating entrance. And then, by the way, we also have entrance right here on the left side. And then, dito naman sa ating main entrance, makikita nyo na agad yung ating amenity. So, kung saan tayo nag-stay ngayon, kung saan nakatayo itong launch pad, dito rin itatayo yung ating amenity areas. Okay? Ang kagandahan dito sa project ni Calea is that this is a 28-hectare development subdivision here in northern part of Vermosa. And then, ang maganda dito is that yung kanyang amenity area is 3.7 hectares. So, almost 4 hectares na open spaces exclusively inside the subdivision. And then, ito yung ating amenity. Hindi siya kalat-kalat. Nasa heart of the subdivision lang siya. And at the same time, marami tayong open spaces dito sa area. At meron tayong mga garden ways, mga linear parks dito sa may gilid ng subdivision kung saan pwede kayong mag-bike, ilibot yung inyong mga pets. Ayan. So, napakaganda ng development dito sa north side ng Vermosa. So, this is the first subdivision na tinayo ni Alveo here at the north side. Ayan. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung whole Vermosa Estate na yung north side wherein developed na yung area. We're coming from MCX via Daanghari. And then, tinawid lang natin yung Molino Paliparan Road. And, ayan, continue lang tayo. Makikita ninyo, on my right side is yung Circle Island Resort, one of the known resort in the Molino area, Bacoor. And then, ayan, continuous lang natin yan para makapunta tayo doon sa Imus, Cavite. And, yan, may mga ginagawa lang dyan sa road, which is yung Maynilad. Pinapasok na siya ng Maynilad. But, our water supplier will be Manila Water Philippine Venture. So, hindi tayo affected niyan. Ayan, nasa Imus area na tayo. And then, ayan, baybayin lang natin. Paglagpas ng bridge na yan, you will see the development already. So, on the left side, meron na rin tayong transport terminal dyan. Actually, it is operational na, though limited pa lang naman yung mga sakayan. Kung ano man yung mga pwede nating maging biyahe for now. Fast food chain natin, facing the road, nandyan yung Jollibee, Chowking, Burger King. And then, andyan na yung Ayala Mall, Vermosa. Continue lang muna natin, no, para makita ninyo on my right side yung development. Ayan, medyo dinedevelop na rin yung south area. And then yung entrance going to Calea. So, ayan, malapit na tayo sa Calea. Check nyo lang yung ating right side. Ayan, meron diyang Vermosa logo. Doon, papasok yung Calea Residence. And then we're turning left naman para mapakita yung north side development dito sa Vermosa. Alright? On my left side, nandyan yung biggest landers nationwide. So, sa Vermosa po siya itinayo, no? And we have lots of parking spaces allocated within the estate. Alright? So, yan. Pasok na tayo. And then, dyan sa may right side, nandyan yung ating sports hub. We're in yung ating FINA Standard Olympic Pool and IAAF Standard Track Oval. And nandyan din yung athlete's house kung saan pwede kayong magstay every time na mayroon kayong events like sports, wellness event na rin dito sa area, yung aquathlon, duathlon, ayan, sa mga open streets natin, no? First, ipakita ko muna yung right side, no? So, dyan located yung ating mga commercial strips, which is private commercial strips kasi nabili na siya ng mga investors natin. And then, continue lang tayo, nakita ninyo yung another construction that will be the San Sebastian Church Parish with 500 persons seating capacity. And ang target completion date niyan by 2027. So, yung area na yan, puro green spaces, puro trees around the area. Kahit na you're still inside the city, but you feels like not inside the city because of the greeneries around the area. And then yan, pasok na tayo sa bridge. Diyan nyo na makikita yung ating campus town. Ang first campus na meron tayo dyan is the De La Salle Santiago Zobel. So, continue lang tayo. Diyan din located yung BFP PNP station natin, which is operated already last May 2022. Ayan. So, diretsuhin lang natin. Makikita ninyo yan. Yan yung ating Bureau of Fire Protection and PNP station. And then, on the left side, yan na yung ating De La Salle Santiago Zobel Vermosa branch. Okay? So, operated na siya since 2017 pa. And then, ang projection nito will be, once fully, fully developed na yung Vermosa, for about 4,000 students ang papasok sa school na yan. And we have news na magkakaroon din ng Miriam College and Xavier School. But then, wala pa nang finalize. Yun lang ay bali-balita for now. But let's see kung ano po madadagdag na school dito sa ating campus town. So, yan. Inikot lang natin kasi yun na yung end of our estate. So, right now, ang kinikater ni DLS Zobel is pre-kinder to grades 1 to 6, and then junior high school grades 7 to 10, and senior high school grades 11 to 12. Yan. So, there you go. And then, we are now going out to the campus. So, if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below, no? Para masagot ko yung mga questions ninyo. And at the same time, hindi lang kasi ito yung last time na magbe-video tayo about the development here in Vermosa. So, every quarter, I'm targeting to update all of my viewers about the development here in the area. So, ayan, right now, makikita mo ulit yung Ayala Malls. Ayan. So, daanan lang ulit natin yung dinaanan natin kanina. And then, moving forward, ayan. So, on my right side again, andyan pa rin yung ating commercial strips na i-develop pa in the future. So, marami pang mga development ang mangyayari dito sa Vermosa. So, almost mga 10% pa lang ng development all over the area ang nagagawa dito ni Ayala Land. But I'm telling you, mas malaki ang north side ng Vermosa. So, we're seeing almost 40% of the development of Vermosa only here at the south side, no? So, yan, different pa. For, around 60% naman ang development doon sa north side. And si Calea, yun, first project ni Alveo in that area.